Good day from Disneyland. Today, we're starting in downtown Disney. Probably go over to Galaxy's Edge. I would like to point out that I'm really kind of upset that this theater is closed. I wish they would open it again because it's so much more fun to see Disney movies at Disney, even if all they make now is remakes. What in the world? This makes it seem like it's a daily thing. But you can clearly see the 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. operational hours there. That's really unfortunate, and I was planning on using this today. This is one of the Mickey 90th birthday paintings, but they made it into a shirt. How cool is that? I really like that. That one is $30, and even this Matterhorn one. Pretty nice too. Over here at the dress shop, I'm just noticing that the sign is always out. I've never seen it not here. Let's see if it's true. I suppose it is, because they do have the new ears. I do love that the Tropical Hideaway gets its own poster. Even though it seems kind of strange that it would have one. It's not really a attraction. But it is fantastic. And bao buns are the greatest thing at Disney. Seems kind of abnormally quiet. At least over here by the train station. Now this is fascinating. They just unclipped the horse and put him on the backside of the trolley. I'm guessing they're about to put it away. So see, the tracks go this way and to the left. I never really thought about it, but that makes a lot of sense. The ships are off. Pirates of the Caribbean is properly packed. There's a gator here standing on a crab trying to eat the flowers. If you eat at Cafe Orleans, you will get none of this food because it is fake. Pretty surprised. There's a guy out in front of the canoe ride trying to get people to go on it because they can't even get enough people to fill a canoe. Kind of surprising. Usually there's a pretty decent line for that. Never noticed before the light transition. So coming in from the Resistance Force side, you have these lights, but then they turn into these things on both sides. Looking in the Rise of the Resistance queue area, you can see a cave. We really need to go back there and see what's in it. To the left of the Rise of the Resistance entrance, just standing right over here, look at that. They got a waterfall back there. It goes pretty far back. I'll be honest, this door got me the first time I came here. I was walking towards it, I thought it would open and it didn't. I didn't run into it, but came close. Taking a look inside the Plaza Inn, just because it's been a while since I've been in here. Salads and desserts. Chicken, pasta, and salmon. That salmon looks quite good over there. Check this thing out from the confectionery. It's a pecan caramel roll. I'll take a bite so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. So good, but so sweet. Even for me. And I love sugar. Tastes almost like a pecan pie. That is going to do it from Disneyland. If you enjoyed the video, why not like and subscribe so you can stay caught up for all of the adventures. Thank you all for watching. The caravan is moving on.